What's up, Blue Chips? 2 trades today, one on SLM, one on ACOR. Let's get to it. All right, traders, real quick before I show you the SLM trade, I'm going to just explain that I didn't get ACOR live. I mean, it's live if you want to go back and listen to the live stream. You can hear me talking about it. But this thing was straight up off the scanners. Got in over the $0.50 break at 52 was our entry, and we were looking for it to kind of flush back down. We got right down to VWAP. It started to hesitate, so we took our position off. It got to 237. We ended up with 243. Just a quick little winner there. And as you can see, it tried to work up a little bit higher and ultimately ended up failing. But this was designed just to be that quick little scalp, and that's what we got out of it. So here's a live trade on SLM. See if we can't get that pop up through. There we go. Let's start this at 57. Actually going to get an ad there, 71. Now let's see if we can get that reject. That'd be real nice. All right, we're going to take the majority of it there. It kind of felt like it didn't want to really press. We didn't even get to 50 on the bid. We'll take the majority of it off, and we'll see how long we can hold the rest of this. So here we go with the big breakdown. 30, 28, 27, 27, 27, 28. All right, we're just going to take it. I don't want this thing. It was stalling. Didn't want to give back too much. We got 29. We were pretty much on the ask or the bid there. 11.27 was as low as it got. We got 29 right there before it started to pop back up. So we'll take the nice winner there. All right, traders, that was my trade on the SLM. Just to go over it real quick. Right off the scanner, we got the $0.50 break, jumped in. We kind of missed the ad right away. We were looking for a push closer to 12. But then when it came down, we didn't take our profits, and we were actually looking for this to kind of extend up towards 12 again. But we realized that it was kind of failing. So we jumped in for an ad there, rode it back down to that previous area. Seemed like 50 was trying to hold again. We jumped under 50 for a split second. So when it came back over, we decided to just take out the majority of our shares. We had 75, 75, and we took out 100 here. So we left ourselves with 50 to try to ride this thing down to this previous resistance area. And we kind of front ran it a little bit. We had to order at 26, as you saw in the live trade, but it didn't want to give it to us. So we ended up taking it there for 29. Wasn't going to fight it for 3 cents. Ultimately, it would have gave it to us. And if we were really patient, we had a really big drop later in the day. I guess somebody that was looking for this to go up through 12 today didn't quite get what they wanted, and they decided to cut their losses. I'm assuming that's what that was. And as you can see, that got bought right back up, as most intense moves usually do, and it's kind of just hovering right around that area where we took our final take profit anyways. So that's all I have for you today. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, even concerns, leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the live stream. Peace.